Hello, everyone. God bless every one of you. How are you doing? Yes, today we are starting uh, our exercise. Whether you have money or not, whatever you are doing in life, whether you are working, have a time for yourself to exercise. It's very, very important because if you are not exercising, there is a lot of things that you'll be seeing in your life. I don't always like a life, maybe fatness. Do you love fatness? Fatness is not good, though. It will not make you to last long with fatness. Oh. So there are some people that are fat. You will see that they are smart because they are exercising every day. If you are just there, my dear, many things will occur. So exercise right now. I want you to join me up to exercise too. As you are watching me, be exercising in your home right now. God bless you. Thank you, Jesus. It's good for you to always exercise. It's very, very bless you.